Jump Nation, welcome to New York.
I was a knight in shining armor in your movie. Well, put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now. I'm a ghost, I call your name, you look right through me. You're the reason I'm alone, can't concentrate. Yeah, I've been trying to fix my pride, but that shit's broken. That shit's broken. Lie, 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 try to hide, but now you know it. That I'm at an all-time low, 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 low. Was the prototype like 3 stacks on the CD? An example of the perfect candidate now. All your girlfriends say that you don't wanna see me. You're the reason that I just can't concentrate. I've been trying to fix my pride, but that shit's broken. That shit's broken. That I'm at an all-time low, 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 low.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Well, put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.